Good morning. In the yesterday class, we discussed very important models, very important concepts like equation of tangent in various conditions. So, the equation of chord, like that we discuss. Today, we are going to discuss one more important concept, very important concept. You have to observe very clearly. That concept is normal. So, normal. What is normal of a circle? Before knowing what is normal, once we recollect what is tangent. Understand? Before we learn equation of normal or what is normal to the circle, before that we have to recollect once again about tangent. So what is tangent? What is tangent? Tangent means if a line touches the circle at only one point, if a line touches the circle at only one point, then that line is called tangent. Understand? So, see, now I am going to tell the concept of normal. Very easy, you have to observe. Suppose this is the circle having some center C. Now, there is a line here. It touches the circle. This line touches the circle at P. Now, what we say? This line touches the circle at only one point P. So, this line is called the tangent to the circle. Okay. Now, what is normal? Normal means the line perpendicular to the tangent at P. Line perpendicular to the tangent at P. This is the tangent of the circle at P. Now, normal means the line drawn perpendicular to this tangent at P. So that means if we draw a line from this point P, which is perpendicular to this tangent like this. So this is 90 degrees. So this is normal. This line is normal. So normal means a line perpendicular to the tangent at P. Tangent at P. What is P? P is nothing but the circle where the tangent meets. Understand? So this is the normal. This is the tangent. Here the line. And a basic difference you have to observe. Tangent touches the circle at only one point. Okay? Tangent touches the circle at only one point. But in case of normal touches the circle at 2 points. Normal touches the circle at 2 points. So here and here also normal cuts the circle at 2 points. Understand? So basic rule, normal is perpendicular to the tangent at P. And another property, normal cuts the circle at 2 points. And normal passing through the point tangent where the circle meets point P and the center also. Because if any tangent you take anything, then you have to draw a perpendicular, it must go through because circle is a symmetrical road through the center. So normal passes through center and P also. Understand? Very important. Now we see what the definition here. Normal. The normal at any point P of the circle. That means let P be any point on the circle. This is P. This is P. If this point is common to both circle and this line. So this P is on the circle. So the normal at any point P of the circle. So that normal is the line which passes through P and perpendicular to the tangent at P. So that normal must passes through P and perpendicular to the tangent. Then it obviously goes through the center of the circle. That is normal. Understand? The normal at any point P of the circle is the line which passes through P and perpendicular to this tangent. So this is tangent, this is perpendicular. Nothing but perpendicular means angle is 90 degrees. Understand? That is called normal. Important concept. So once again I repeat one more important point here. In any case, tangent and normal are mutually perpendicular. Normal is perpendicular to tangent. Tangent is perpendicular to normal. So these normal and tangent of a circle are mutually perpendicular. Understand? So this is the important concept of normal. So now we have to find out the equation of a normal at P. Equation of normal at P of the circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is. So equation of normal formula nothing but you have to remember it, x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to 0. This is the important formula which helps us to find the equation of a normal at px1 y1. That px1 y1. Okay? Understand? So in this equation x1 y1 values comes from the point P and g comma f values comes from the given circle. Understand? Then you easily find out the equation of a normal. Understand? So friends, equation of normal means normal is a line passing through a point P of the circle and it must perpendicular to the tangent. Simply we say tangent, a line perpendicular to tangent. A line perpendicular to tangent and cuts the circle at 2 points from the point of contact. This point P is called point of contact. Point of contact. So I tell another important definition here also. Here only. What is point of contact? Point of contact. What is point of contact? Point of contact. Point of contact means if a line touches the circle at only one point. Suppose this is a circle. I draw a tangent to this at P. So see, here this line, this is the circle S identical to 0, circle is denoted with S identical to 0 and this is a line denoted with L identical to 0. If L identical to 0 is a line meets the circle at only one point P, then the line L is called what? L is called tangent to this circle. Tangent to the circle. Why? Because L is tangent. It touches the circle at only one point. That's why the line is called tangent. Now the line touches the circle at only one point, so it is called as tangent. Then where the line meets the circle, where the line meets the circle, here the line meets the circle at P, this point. So this point is called the line where the circle and line meets. The line and the circle meets. The line touches the circle. Where the point the line touches the circle, that point is P. That P is called point of contact. That P is called point of contact. Understand? Very important. Very important. So if a line L is said to be tangent, L is a tangent to the circle, then the line where touches the circle, that point is called point of contact. Understand? So these are the important concepts. Normal, point of contact. Okay. So based on yesterday's class and today's class, we are going to solve some problems which are very helpful and important in the public point of view. So go for the problems. So see, here this is one problem and that is another problem. First of all, we have to see this problem. So what is the problem? We have to read. Find the equation of tangent to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0 yet 1 comma minus 1. Very simple problem. So what is asked in the problem? Equation of tangent. So now we are going to find out the equation of tangent. So to find the equation of tangent, what is given in the problem? So you have to think about it. What is given in the problem? What is given? Equation of a circle and a point is given. So already I told you in formula section, equation of a tangent at px1 y1 for the circle s identical to 0 is at px1 y1 for the circle s identical to 0 is what is the formula? S1 equal to 0. So you have to use that formula. Simply you have to use that formula. Okay. So see, let us see how we solve it. Solution. Equation of a circle. What is it? S identical to x square plus y square plus y square. What is given here? Minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0, 1. So from first equation we have to write g value, f value and c value wherever they are necessary we have to write. So 2g is equal to what is it? Minus 6 because 2gx. 2g equal to minus 6, g equal to minus 3. 2f is equal to 4 plus 4 here. So f equal to 2, c equal to minus 12. Okay, these are the g and c values from this first equation. After that, what is given? Given point. What is that given point? Say px1 y1 is equal to what is that? P1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1. Now, what we are going to find out? Equation of tangent. Tangent to first equation at P. So to first equation we are going to find out the tangent at P. Is formula S1 equal to 0. S1 formula. How we write S1? X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1. So you have to go through the notation sections which will be discussed by me in yesterday's class. G into x plus x1, very important. X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. This is the formula. So now you have to substitute the values in this formula. Implies x into what is x1? x1 and y1 comes from this point. So x1 is 1 plus y into y1 means minus 1. Because of 1 comma minus 1 it is minus 1 plus g. What is g here? Already we take here g. Minus 3 into x plus x1 means 1 plus f. What is f2 into y plus y1? y1 is minus 1 plus c. c plus c means minus 12 equal to 0. So you have to simplify it. X into 1x plus y into minus 1 minus y. So here plus into minus minus. So minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Here 2 into y plus 2y. Here plus into minus minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Plus into minus minus. So minus 12 equal to 0. Implies x minus 3x minus 2x minus y plus 2y plus y minus y plus 2y plus y, and constants minus 3 minus 2 minus y minus 12 minus 17 equal to 0. So when we multiply throughout the equation with minus, then it becomes 2x minus y. So why? Because we multiply whole equation with minus. So minus into minus plus 2x minus into plus minus y minus into minus plus 17 equal to 0. This is the line equation which is tangent to this circle at 1 comma minus 1. Understand? Very simple formula. S1 equal to 0. What is S11 means? What is S1 means? X1 plus y1 plus d into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 equal to plus c equal to 0. So you have to substitute x1 y1 values which are taken from the given point and g f c values from the given circle. Then you get the equation S1 equal to 0. So this is the tangent equation of this circle at 1 comma minus 1. This is the procedure to find the equation of a tangent when circle equation and a point is given. When it is used, this formula is used only when you have a circle and a point, and equation of a tangent at a particular point only we have to find out. So this model is applicable at that case only. In that case, that means circle and a point is given. You have to find out the equation of tangent. Then you have to use this method. Understand? And one more important problem is here. What is it? Find the equation of normal. Normal yet P of the circle S identical to 0. So P S are already given. So that circle and point, by using these two, we are going to find out the equation of normal. So how it is? Take a look. Here also first you have to write given circle S identical to x square plus y square plus x plus y minus 24 equal to 0, first equation. So from 1 you have to write g of c values here also. So 2g is equal to 1, x coefficient is 2g. Here 2g is x coefficient. X coefficient is here 1. So 2g equal to 1, g is equal to 1 by 2. And comma 2f is equal to 1, f is equal to 1 by 2. So y coefficient is also 1. Therefore 2f is equal to 1, f equal to 1 by 2. C is equal to minus 24. So we use these values wherever necessary. Okay, next step. Given point. So what is the given point P? 3 comma minus 4. Given point P 3 comma minus 4. Now what we are going to find? What is asked in the problem? Equation of normal. So friends, here you have to see. Just now only I told you the equation of a normal. If a circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2fy plus e, that form is given here also, and a point P x1 y1. What is the formula? So you have to remember this formula: x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to 0. So you have to remember the formulas very importantly. You have to remember. Once you remember the formulas, it is very easy topic. So x minus x1 into y1 plus f minus y minus y1 into x1 plus g equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. For that you have to take a look. So you have to substitute the values in this equation. So implies x minus x1. From where we get x1? From this point we get x1 and y1. So x1 is 3. So x minus 3 into y1 is nothing but minus 4 plus f. What is f? 1 by 2 minus y minus y1. Y1 means nothing but minus 4 here. So we put another bracket here, y minus of minus 4. This minus is in the formula and this minus comes from this point y1 into x1. What is x1? It is nothing but 3 plus g. What is g? 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Implies x minus 3 into, first of all we have to simplify it. LCM is 2. 2 into minus 4, how much? Minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1 minus, this is y plus 4 into LCM 2, 6 plus 1 equal to 0. Implies x minus 3 into minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 by 2 minus y plus 4 into 7 by 2 is equal to 0. So here 7 by 2, here 7 by 2, that side it is 0. So 7 by 2 will be cancelled on both sides. Throughout the equation we have to remove 7 by 2 without any doubt, because here is also 7 by 2, here is also 7 by 2. The is equal to, outer side of the is equal to, there is no value, it is 0. So when we multiply throughout the equation with 2 by 7, all are cancelled. So what will be remain here? X minus 3 into minus 1. What will be remain here? X minus 3 into minus 1, because 7 by 2 is cancelled. Minus of y plus 4 into 1, because 7 by 2 is cancelled, equal to 0. Now what it becomes? Minus x plus 3, because x into minus 1, minus x minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Obviously it is 1, there is no doubt. So minus to multiply it, minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So this implies minus x minus y 3 minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Implies throughout the equation when we are going to multiply with minus, then it becomes x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. You have little bit alert while doing the calculations. Understand? Understand? Once again I tell you, this is the equation of normal, this is the formula. In that formula we substitute the values. X1 is nothing but 3 and y1 is nothing but minus 4. F is 1 by 2 and g is 1 by 2. Like that we substitute in the equation. Now here x minus 3, here take the LCM, minus 8 plus 1 by 2 and this is minus of minus plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. So in this equation, throughout the equation we have cancelled 7 by 2. That's why here minus 1 remains, here 1 remains. So you have to multiply it with minus 1, minus x, minus 2, minus plus 3. Already it is 1, no problem at all. Therefore minus of y, minus into plus minus 4. So minus x, minus y, 3 minus 4, minus 1 equal to 0. So if you multiply throughout the equation with minus, what we get? X plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation of a normal. So friends, here we discussed two important models. When a point and a circle is given, then how to find the equation of a tangent and equation of a normal. So very simply we are going to calculate equation of tangent or equation of a normal by using these procedures. Understand? Okay. Next model. We are going to see next model.